Patterns. Patterns around us. Patterns exist everywhere. Patterns are either man-made or natural. We can find patterns in nature, like peacock's feather, zebra strips, and rainbow. We can find patterns in man-made things. For example, observe the shape of a lotus temple, the Eiffel Tower, and a railing. Repeated patterns. Look at the pattern made with squares. You can see that one red and two blue squares are getting repeated. This repeated order of arrangement is helpful in creating a pattern. The part or section that is repeated in such patterns is called the unit pattern. Pattern of numbers. Here, number 4, 5, 6, 7 is repeated every time. So, 4, 5, 6, 7 is a unit pattern. Pattern of letters. Here, the number X, Y, Z is repeated every time. So, X, Y, Z is the unit pattern. So, we can say that a pattern formed by repeating a certain object or set of objects, numbers, and letters over and over again is a repeated pattern. Growing patterns. Observe the patterns on the screen. A number pattern is formed by skip counting in twos. Look at the next pattern. A pattern in which dots are increasing by adding two dots every time. Observe the next pattern. A pattern in which dots are increasing by multiplying the dots by 2 every time. Here is the next pattern. A pattern formed by the letters of the English alphabet in increasing order. All are examples of growing patterns as the sequence goes on increasing according to a certain rule. Decreasing pattern. Observe the patterns on the screen. A decreasing number pattern is formed by skip counting in twos. Observe the next patterns on the screen. A pattern in which numbers are decreasing by subtracting 10 every time. Here are the next patterns on the screen. A pattern in which the number of buttons are decreasing by 1 every time. Here are the next patterns on the screen. A pattern formed by the letters of the English alphabet in decreasing order. All are examples of decreasing patterns as the sequence goes on decreasing according to a certain rule.